Meet the F02 Smart Lock. Sleek, durable, and waterproof. Unlock using Face ID, Passcode, RFID card or watch. Fingerprint, manual key and charging port. Lock with one tap. Easy turn handle and one push lock buttons. Comes with rechargeable lithium batteries. One-way camera and intercom. The doorbell is linked to your phone. You can view who's outside in real time and open the lock remotely. You can also set it to lock automatically. Enjoy seamless access and security anytime, anywhere with the F02 Smart Lock from Loock Logic. Free installation within Metro Manila.